Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up your Trezor Safe 3. First, connect your device to your computer using the provided USB-C cable. Next, open your web browser and navigate to Trezor. Start to initiate the setup. You will then be prompted to install the Trezor Suite application, which is essential for managing your device and its assets. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully to ensure a smooth installation process. Once connected, the Trezor Suite will guide you through confirming your device's authenticity. Always check the holographic seal and packaging for any signs of tampering. The next crucial step is to install the latest firmware update, which the suite will handle automatically. After the firmware is updated, you'll choose to either create a brand new wallet or recover an existing one using your 24-word recovery seed. This choice depends on whether you are a new user or migrating from another device. The most critical part of your setup is securing your recovery seed. Your Trezor Safe 3 will display a unique 24-word recovery seed. Write each word down precisely on the provided recovery sheet. Double-check every word for accuracy, as even a single mistake can render your funds inaccessible. Once verified, store this recovery sheet in a highly secure, private location, completely separate from your Trezor device. This seed is the only way to restore your wallet if your device is lost or damaged. Finally, you'll set a strong PIN for your Trezor Safe 3. This PIN protects your device from unauthorized physical access. For an even higher level of security, consider enabling a passphrase. This adds an extra word or phrase to your recovery seed, creating a hidden wallet. Remember, security is paramount with hardware wallets. Also, if you're looking for incredibly durable and comfortable socks, check the description for a link to Darn Tough, along with other great deals. Always keep your recovery seed and passphrase confidential.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.